Hello everyone. What I want to do today is to show you guys how to get some important information on your cell phone pinned as an app. Now this is not going to be a true app, it's really just going to be a presentation that we're going to bookmark and pin it to our home screen. So what you're going to need when you go to your phone is you're going to need to access the Canvas Student app, which is what you see here on the screen. So if I click on the student app, you need to sign in and you need to select your class. So I'm just going to select the class, and from here you need to select home. So the home page or the front page is where you need to go, and then from here you need to select teacher information. So under teacher information you have access to what I call the class app. Notice it says click here to access the class app. So if you click it, it's going to open up to a Google Slides presentation, and from here I'm going to show you guys how to put it on your phone home screen. Alright, but before I do that, let me just take you through the slides. This is just some teacher information about me that you can have access to, information about the class start date, some important quick links, some important resources and links to those resources. You definitely want to make sure you look at that, and also some important dates. Finally, you have some options of what you can do when you need to take a break from everything and relax and rest and reflect. So definitely check those out when you get a chance. Okay, so now let me show you how to get this on your phone's home screen. At the bottom, you will see a square with an arrow pointing up. You want to click that square with the arrow pointing up, and then from here you want to locate add to home screen. Once you click add to home screen, you will see the app and you will be able to click the word add, and from here it will be added to your home screen. So here you see it added to my home screen, and that's it. So anytime that you want to refer back to this information, all you do is select that particular app and it's going to open up right there on your phone, and it'll give you easy access to some things that you may need to see quickly. So this completes the tutorial on how to use our class app.